need to make a starburst in Illustrator? No problem at all. Before you start, be sure to turn on Smart Guides, Show Rulers, and Show Guides. Come over to the corner of your rulers, click and drag out, and hold Command until you find the intersect to get a central point on your canvas, and release. Come over to your pen tool, make sure you've got strokes selected and no fill, and draw out a line using the pen tool. Come over to your stroke panel, or go to Window, Stroke if you can't find it, and up the weight of the stroke. Come over to your profile section and select the triangle to create that starburst effect. When you're happy with a singular starburst, select it with Selection tool, come down to your Rotate tool, click that, hold Alt, and click that central point on the cross section of where your rulers meet. Your Rotate panel will appear. Type 360 divided by the number of points you want on your starburst, and that will give you the exact angle you need. Use Preview to see it, and when you're happy with it, press Copy. Finally then, press Command or Control D to keep duplicating the starburst points until you create your full starburst. Press Selection tool, highlight them all, come back to Stroke, and change the weight of the stroke up and down accordingly to create the type of starburst that you want. Once you're happy with your starburst, use the Selection tool to highlight them all, Object, Expand Appearance, and then come down to your Pathfinder tool, unite the shape, and boom, nicely done. There's your starburst. Thanks for watching.